Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. William C. Maveli with you, Innovative Authors International Forum, Life Bliss. In today's video talk, I am much eager to, much happier to, much elated to say about our human behavior and its adaptation and modification. When I say behavior, behavior can be at different stages. The way you behave inside your own home, indoor of your own home, is totally different when you are in an office. I am fortunate to work with many nationalities during my 32 years of life in the Middle East. I had the opportunity to work with Americans, Britishers, especially Arabs, even Pakistanis, and Sudanese and Palestinians, Egyptians too. During these 32 years, I had a very good learning experience from many of these bosses, or we call it managers or superiors. I am being a subordinate working under them. So during this time, I had learned a lot of things from many of those superiors or managers. More than what I have learned from a university, more than what I have learned from my colleges or my school or my home. So, habit or nature or our expressions, our behaviors, everything counts a lot to get improvisation in an office or in a work front. Why I am highlighting this? As I am a retired person, currently based in Kerala in India, I wish to have this talk just to give some guidelines to my upcoming new budding foreign people who wish to visit other countries and how to learn how to work with better in a way or other. So in other words, how to expose or express your feelings in a better way of communication, in a better way of behavior. I call it behavior modifications and adaptations. I wish to call you back on my previous experience with a boss. He was very nice to me, was very serious, he was very strict officer or manager. His name is the first name of the man on earth. His name is Adam. His full name is, I don't want to disclose the full name. Maybe from in any part of the world he may be listening to this. He is a very good personality to whom I admire. He taught me a lot of things in an official environment. Once it happened that I wished to visit him to discuss something on an official matter. So I saw his door kept open. So naturally I thought he is free, which is my mistake. I just entered there, then he looked at me. Then his expression was little aggressive like. Then I knew I am wrong. I said, I am sorry, sir. Okay. May I come in? Yeah. There you are. Before entering into a room in an office, first thing you have to do, even if the door is kept open, you are supposed to knock at the door. That is what I did not do. It was a lesson which I learned very late. Okay, I entered into the room. He is doing some work. So I just stood there he was not offering me a seat. So I was little perplexed. After some time, he offered me a seat. I just said thank you. So, in this small example of a behavior, what I should have done properly before entering the room, even though the door was kept open, I should have knocked at the door like this. And I have to invite his attention that I am there just to visit him in his room and to discuss something. Then I should get his permission. Yes, come in please. Once I get that signal, come in please, then I will be happy. I will express my happiness, or I will smile. Then he will offer, have a seat. I should say thank you sir. Yes, what can I do for you? What is your issue? Or why are you concerned to meet me now? So I will explain my issue. I am having some tough time in completing this project. So I need your guidelines. I need your advice for certain things. That is why I am here. Okay, good. What is your problem? So I analyze the problem and I just come to a conclusion that everything is guidelines were grabbed from my boss. So when I am clear with all my clarifications or clearing the doubts, I should get up and I should say, thank you sir, hope to have a nice day. So that's a way of expressing. Then I can leave. Unless and until he is giving permission. Okay, now you can leave now. Now, while I am seated in front of my boss, I may have files in my hand or a laptop in my hand. I should never keep that laptop on his desk. I should never keep my file on his desk. That is a wrong behavior to do. We have to respect the table of our manager. That is equivalent to respect the manager himself. Now, another point is that there are people who will look at here and there. They will be tempted to look at his in tray or out tray to see what is there inside written on the pages or papers and all that. No, you should focus your eyes on your boss only. Your concentration should be only on his face or on his eyes, and you have to explain your problem or difficulties in carrying out your job. So there are a lot of things involved in behavior. Why I explained this, I thought of giving an idea on how to behave in an office. This is only a starting. We get happiness, cheerfulness and satisfaction out of working in an office in a corporate level. Then we may get a salary at the end of the month. But not only that, we have to learn a lot of things from our bosses, our managers, our superiors. That's all for today. Thank you. Signing off, Williams Dimaveli, Life Bliss. Thank you. Bye.